Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up email campaign in System.io. So basically, the first thing that you're going to do is open up your System.io in your internet browser and just need to sign in your account. Now to create a campaign, you must go to the campaign sections in email. So right here, and then click on these campaigns. Now, once you click on that one at the right side of your screen, you'll find create button. So you just need to click on create. And then once you click on this button, you will need to insert the name of the campaign and the description. So for example, the name and the description right here. And once you've done, just need to click on this save button to complete the new campaign creation. So as you can see, we have here the campaign created. Now we just need to click on that created campaign right there to add some email or create and add some information here. So we're gonna click on this create button right here, the right side of your screen, and then we have found the message pops up, create campaign setup. So we have here following options or fields that we're going to fill up: subject, sender name, sender email, and you can choose between the type of editor you want. So for example, we're gonna put a subject here, so just an example, and a sender name right here for example. Now as you can see right here at the bottom, you have two possibilities to edit your emails. So a classic editor and a visual editor. So classic editor is to write a simple email and a new visual editor with new features to improve the look of your emails. So once you choose the type of editor you want to use, you can actually switch to the other editor at any time and change it. So however, all the content you have added will be deleted from the editor you choose first. So for example, we just need to select this classic editor. So once you click on that, you will see this interface on your screen. Now, what you're going to do here is, as you can see in the right part of your email, you can find here add an attachment and add substitute variables to replace information automatically. So it is possible to make these variables clickable by selecting the link anchor, then clicking on create a link in the editor toolbar, and finally by pasting the variable in the URL field. So let's have an example here. For example, we just need to write hi and we just put a variable. So basically, if you click on that question mark icon, customize your emails using these text substitutes that corresponds to your contacts data. So you can just edit your contacts and it be automatically show up right here if you use some substitute variables. Now, once you finish typing all the informations on the description here, so in order to configure the sending delays, you must click on the save button right there, save and publish. So here you will see a pop-up that contains the following settings. This email will be sent after, so we just need to enter your email right here, and then we have here, so for example, just put an email. Then we have here delays before sending email. And for example, if you want some delays on your sending email, so for example, I will put here 1 hour. So change the days into hours. So 1 hour delay. We have here time when the email should be sent. You can enable this one, and the days of the week when this email should be sent. So we have here some options. Now, once you have configured the delays for your email, you can now publish it. You can click on activate button right there at the bottom. So in order for an email from a campaign to be sent, all the delays you have configured must be fulfilled. So let's have an example. Yeah, so just need to click on the save and test and see what it look like when it sends to an email. So just click on that confirm button, save and send a test email. So let's see. So here, as you can see, we have a message here from that email campaign. It's very simple. So yeah, that's how you basically eat that one. Now, if you have selected a visual editor, for example, right here, we need to have that confirm button. So this an editor will appear to add all the elements you want, and you have the possibility to add content like the images, like some text and buttons. As you can see at the side mode, right, side menu right here. Additionally, you have the possibility to lay out the content using sections and columns. So as with the page editor, you can click on any element to edit it. So let's just try. Yeah, you can actually, yeah, put an image button right there. You can edit the text. Now, if we gonna click on the settings right there at the top left corner of our screen, you'll find a button. And here you can actually adjust the font size of the image. So as you can see on your screen, and you can also put background colors. You can change the background colors, contents, or add some links right here. So you can also increase or decrease the width of your content area. And finally, you have the option to make your newsletter responsive to the mobile version by clicking on the phone icon. So after you have completed your email content, it is necessary to save the changes and then click on exit button. So when you come back to the email, you must click on save and publish. So you'll be able to configure the delays for your email. So you can then save and send a test email to see how it looks and finally save it and then prepare to send. So that's how you basically set up email campaign in Systeme.io. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.